have the gorgeous gold Anthropologie chandelier, but not the price? This lightweight version has the same look, requires no wiring, and can be hung anywhere for exactly the right accent lighting you need. You'll need hot glue gun and glue sticks, straight drinking straws, a sticky puck light with remote, a cardboard box. The sides should be shorter than the straws. Fishing line, scissors, a washer, and a sealing hook. Gold spray paint and a drop cloth. I'm using Rust-Oleum's 2X paint and primer in metallic gold to match the Anthropologie chandelier's finish. First, cut the top flaps off of the box so that only the sides and the bottom remain. Glue the straws vertically on the entire surface of the box. Stagger them so they sit at different levels, similar to the Anthropologie chandelier. Remove any extra glue or glue strings as you go. Spray paint the light, the washer, and the sealing hook over a drop cloth. Spray the straws at different angles to ensure full coverage, as well as inside and on top of the box. Allow to fully dry before flipping over to spray the other side. Adhere the puck light to the inside of the box. Poke small holes in each corner of the top of the box and run the fishing line through the holes. Use the washer to suspend the light with the fishing line. Ensure it hangs straight. Add the sealing hook above the spot where you need more light. Use additional fishing line to suspend the washer from the sealing hook. Use the remote to turn the light on and off. On the fly, DIY.